Hello and welcome to Someday Models. My name is Tom and I have a large stack of second-hand vintage model kits sitting around in my cupboard that I have big plans to absolutely, certainly, definitely, totally gonna build someday. Now we will be having an out-of-the-box look at this model kit. Would you like to see the build video? Subscribe to make sure you do. The build will happen someday. Today, however, we will be taking a look at this vintage Airfix Hawker Hunter FGA.9 jet fighter from the early Cold War era in 1:72 scale. This version of the kit was released in 1983, while the tool was new in 1960, 65 years ago. Using this tooling, there have been a few versions released by Airfix up until 2004. This video is all about showing what is in the box of this vintage model kit. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this sort of thing. Since nobody really wants to listen to some random person just commenting on and pointing out all the stuff that is right there on the screen, I'll shut up for now. Here's some nice music to listen to instead. So there we have it, the contents of a vintage Airfix Hawker Hunter FGA.9 jet fighter from the early Cold War era in 1:72 scale. Here's the next kit to feature in an out-of-the-box video. Subscribe and ding the bell if you would like to see it. Comment below if you have any requests for a particular aircraft. You never know, I might just have it.